Hi, I'm Richard Mayer, the CEO of Real Spirit USA and Air Water Life. We're here in our factory, and I'm going to talk about the Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 and how we install this, how we build it, how we make it, and show you the actual quality that goes into making our wonderful water ionizers. First, I'm going to start with is that everybody here is wearing clothes because this is a clean room. You've got booties on because there's no dust or anything in this room. And every single station has an instruction manual or instructions for every single person sitting at that station. This is an ISO 9000 requirement. Some of the things we've done have gone way beyond what we should do in building this machine. One of them is this. This is the power supply that's used. If you notice, it's UL approved and ROSH approved. Remember that, ROSH, no lead in this power supply. Very important. People ask our machines, do we use ROSH approved components? We do. This is very, very important. Cost extra money. We don't care. Because this power supply will not burn out. And it is balanced and it is matched to the plate, which I'll show you later on. So we're going to go down the line here and talk about more things, how this is put together in our wonderful ionizer. Right. Moving down the line here of our Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0, what you see here is this person is inspecting the touch screen to make sure it's absolutely perfect. Then what they'll do, they'll start inspecting individual parts such as this, and this part here, if it touches water, which it does, it's an FDA approved plastic. Going over to this side, this young lady here is actually inspecting the inside of the case to make sure there's no blemishes, no shrink marks on the plastic. Everything is perfect. And this is what she is doing now. I'll take it away from her for a second. And she's going to make this, and she'll look at this, and she'll reject it if it's no good. This is the quality that must go in to making a quality product. Moving down the line here on the ionizer, this machine was developed by the factory, and it's testing the voltage, it's testing how much power consumption is doing, and we're running water through the ionizer, and this young lady here is testing the ORP. She's testing at every single level the alkalinity of the machine. In other words, the high setting, the medium setting, the low setting, and the acidic settings. And that's all these bottles that are here. And if you notice, we have an ORP meter here, and it's getting up to -600 from this machine right here. Every single machine goes through this test. There are 7 of these machines sitting here that they test every single machine. Now what she just changed was the flow rate. Now she's going to test every single setting at a different flow rate. Very imperative that this is done, because if you don't do this, you don't get a quality machine. And this is why our machines have the best quality, because we take the time, put the money and the effort into doing this. So we'll go down the line for next level. Moving down the line, what we're showing you here, this is the part that holds the 7 plates, and you notice the ribs here? This is designed for strength, because this is one of the areas we found that is a weakness in most of the ionizers that are built out there. So what we're doing now is this gentleman here has put these under tremendous pressure right here, and every single one of these that goes into our machine is tested this way, because if this fails, the machine fails. This has to last a lifetime. So we test each one of them. You notice here's the 7 connectors down below. These aren't just push-on. These are very strong connectors to make sure they never go bad. This has been engineered to last forever. Not just pieces of plastic put together. This has taken a long time. We spent a lot of money engineering this device because we don't want it to fail. And I'm showing you this video because I want you to understand this machine is put together the best. We'll go to the next level. Hi, moving down the line. What we're going to show you next is very important. What we have here, these are called the separators, and we have to buy these from Japan. And why we have to buy from Japan? Because these are NSF and FDA approved, and this is where the water touches, and this is the best membrane you can buy between the plates. So we have to buy these from Japan. It's an extra step, extra money, but we don't care. We have to put the best together. This is the plastic that goes between the two, which he's now installing. This is FDA approved. Everything that touches water is FDA approved. This separates us from the men from the boys. This is a very important step. We'll move on to the next. The next step in our journey, and we're not showing all the steps, we're showing the critical ones that I feel that you should know about is this machine here is called a salt spray test. Every single component that has any metal whatsoever in our machine is put through this salt spray test. And if you don't do this, you don't get the approvals of ETL and all the other approvals that we've done. So the salt spray test is very important. Do other companies do this? I don't know. But we do it because we have to. Because so much water goes through these machines, we have to make sure that the minerals that go through the machine are not going to cause a problem. So every part that we ever use in our machines is tested before it even goes in a machine. So we really look at the quality and the aspect of what we're doing. Again, every part that we use had the salt spray test done before we assembled it on the machine. I'm not saying every part is salt spray tested. Every component that we're going to use it, before we use it, we salt spray tested to make sure it's going to hold up. Then we assemble the machines. So this is a very critical step. Thank you. Last step in our journey, I'm deep in the back of the factory, showing a few more things I think are really important. Carbon fiber, what we use, and the charcoal we use in our filters, we have to import it. So here's the carbon, the activated carbon right here. It comes from the Netherlands. We have to use the very best we can get. Something else, this is the plastic tubings we use inside. This stuff is NSF, water quality approved, FDA approved, ISO 9000. This is the best you can buy. Something else we found. We had to buy this from Japan. We couldn't get it anywhere it would work. So we put together the best components you can get for a water ionizer. Now this journey has shown you a few steps of what we do. And we're so proud, I'm almost getting emotional, we're so proud of what we've done that we'll bring you the best ionizer there is. And I really thank you for your time on this. Watch this video, enjoy it. And thank you very much. This is Richard Mayer. Thank you very much.